In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in Hubspot. To begin, head over to the Hubspot homepage. If you haven't done so already, open up your web browser and type in the Hubspot URL, or simply search for Hubspot in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you should see the familiar HubSpot branding and menu options. Next, look for the option to log in. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to get started. If you're not already signed in, this is where you'll enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as these will be required to access your account. Once you've entered these details, click that login button again, and you should be taken directly to your HubSpot homepage. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as it can be pretty feature rich at first glance. Now, locate the CRM option in the navigation menu. HubSpot CRM is a core part of managing your sales pipeline. Click on CRM, which should bring up more options. The next step is to select Deals. Clicking on Deals will give you an overview of all current deals and their progress within your company. This area is essential for tracking and management purposes, ensuring that you have an up-to-date understanding of all ongoing negotiations and sales efforts. Once you're inside the Deals section, the next step is finding the Pipelines option. Spend a few seconds looking carefully at the menu. It should be there. Click on Pipelines to head into the Pipeline Management section. This area provides structural oversight and segmentation for your deals, making organization much easier for your sales teams. In the pipeline section, look for and click on the Deals Pipeline option. This will show you existing deals and allow you to create new pipelines. Here, you're likely noticing how structured HubSpot allows you to be. The interface is designed to help manage everything from initial contact right through to closing. Now, to create a new pipeline, click on Create Pipeline. This button is the gateway to setting up your new sales journey. At this stage, you will be prompted to type in a name for your pipeline. Try to think of a name that will make sense to everyone who will be using it. A clear descriptive name can greatly enhance communication and responsibility sharing across teams. Once you have settled on a suitable name and have typed it in, you're ready for the final step. Click on Create Pipeline. Congratulations, you've successfully created a pipeline in HubSpot. This new pipeline can now be customized and filled with new deals, enabling better tracking and forecasting of your sales opportunities. Thank you for watching. Now that you've learned how to create a pipeline in HubSpot, you're one step closer to mastering the CRM game. Feel free to rewatch this video or reach out if you have any questions. Happy organizing.